The IRS Form W-9 is used to confirm a person's name, address, and taxpayer identification number for employment or other income-generating purposes. Form W-9 is one of the most straightforward IRS forms to complete. Still, that doesn't mean you should be any less careful when handling Form W-9 than you would when handling other tax and financial documents. Use only secure channels to fill out and send your W-9. You can either get your copy from the IRS website or go to pdffiller.com and get the newest sample of Form W-9 that you can fill out, sign, and submit online. Start filling out your W-9 by entering your full name. Enter your business name or disregarded entity name if different from the name you entered above. Specify your business entity type according to the federal tax classification. If you're exempt from backup withholding, enter the exemption code that applies to you. Generally, individuals, including sole proprietors, are not exempt from backup withholding. Indicate your business address or home address if you don't have one. The only requirement here is that your address should match the one you will later use on your tax return. In the next part, provide your business's tax identification number. This may be either your individual social security number if you're a sole proprietorship, or your employer identification number if you're another type of business. Once all the fields are completed and checked off, sign and date your W-9 directly in the PDF Filler editor. Save the document to your device or securely share it with your recipient via email, fax, USPS, or SMS.